Hey guys, welcome to isnt unboxing. Guys, it's too boring when you are watching your favorite YouTube video and at that time YouTube shows ads on the video. There have some ads which is skippable and some are unskippable. Is not it's time wasting? But don't worry, I am here to save your time. Now you don't have to watch the meaningless ads on YouTube. Yes, you heard the right. Today I am going to share a modded YouTube application named YouTube Bounced. In this application you can have the premium access which is totally free. It's not over yet. Here you can enjoy background music play, dark themes and many more. You can download this application by clicking the link mentioned in the video description. Don't forget to share your valuable opinion about this app in the comment section. And guys, wait. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for further updates.